Today we discuss some tricky sum of compound angle, which is very useful in examination hall. First, if tan x is equal to 3 by 4, cos y is equal to minus 12 by 13, then calculate sine of x minus y. So there is some trick, which is in the previous chapter of trigonometry ratio, we have studied that all sine, tan, cos. All sine, tan, cos. In the first quadrant, all are positive. Second quadrant, sine are positive, tan. Third quadrant and cos, fourth quadrant. Here you see that this is tan x is equal to 3 by 4 and cos y is equal to minus 12 by 13. And it is also given that x and y are in same quadrant. X and y are in same quadrant. Okay. So the sum is tan x is equal to 3 by 4, cos y is equal to minus 12 by 13. And x and y are in the same quadrant. Calculate sine of x minus y. So we know about the coordinate system. All sine, tan, cos. Coordinate system. Quadrant, which is in the first quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant sine are positive. Third quadrant tan positive, and fourth quadrant cos positive. Here is cos y is negative, but tan x is positive. So in the third quadrant, tan is positive, cos is negative. If we take the value and think that these angles are in the second quadrant, if we think that the angles are in second quadrant or the angles are in fourth quadrant, so then if sine theta is positive in this quadrant, sine theta is positive, but tan theta and cos theta both are negative. But here is given that tan x is positive and cos y is negative. So only in the third quadrant that tan x is positive and cos x is negative. So if we draw this triangle 3, 4, 5 and this one also 12, 13, 5, we have to calculate sine of x minus y. Sine of x minus y, which is sin x cos y minus cos y sin x, cos x sin y. Now, in the third quadrant, sin x is negative, so sin x will be minus 3 by 5, and cos y also negative, cos y is minus 12 by 13 minus cos x also negative, minus 4 by 5 into sin y, which is also negative, minus 5 by 13. So 36 by 65 minus plus minus 20 by 65, that is 16 by 65. So you must follow this and this. This is positive and this is negative, and this condition you have to follow, which is x and y are in same quadrant. This is the most and vital statement of the question. Now we discuss about a very good sum, which is sine of alpha plus beta, sine of alpha minus beta. Find this if tan alpha is equal to 2 tan beta. This is the condition, and this we have to find sine of alpha plus beta and sine of alpha minus beta. To do the sum, we use the given condition, which is tan alpha is equal to 2 tan beta. Now tan alpha can be write sin alpha by cos alpha, and this is sin beta by cos beta. You should habituate with this type of sum, and you should habituate the types of this type of sum. That in this step we have to use componendo and dividendo rule. How we use that? Sin alpha into cos beta by cos alpha into sin beta is equal to 2 by 1. By cross multiply, we bring this type of fraction, that is sin alpha cos beta by cos alpha sin beta. Now we follow this sin of alpha plus beta, sin of alpha minus beta. To follow this, some basic sense will come in your mind that we have to bring sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. To do this, we have to apply componendo and dividendo rule. That is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta, sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, that is 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1, which will be sin of alpha plus beta, sin of alpha minus beta, 3 by 1, that is 3. Now we do another sum, which is, please follow this sum. It is given that cot alpha is equal to 2 tan beta. It is given cot alpha is equal to 2 tan beta. Find the value of, if cot alpha is equal to 2 tan beta, find cos of alpha minus beta minus cos of alpha plus beta. We should follow the previous sum to do this. First we use the given condition, cos alpha by sin alpha is equal to 2 into cos beta by sin beta. Now what we do? Cos alpha sin beta, cos alpha by sin alpha is equal to 2 sin beta by cos beta, cross multiply, this will be 2 by 1. Now apply the process of componendo dividendo, which will be 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1, and this is also the formula of cos of alpha minus beta, and this is cos of alpha plus beta, that is 3 by 1, which is 3. Now some homework I provide for your better performance. The homework are prove that tan of 55 degrees is equal to cos 10 plus sin 10 by cos 10 minus sin 10. This one, and one prove that tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta minus tan 5 theta is equal to minus tan 2 theta tan 5 theta. And very important sum, proof if, very important, if tan x plus tan y is equal to a and cot y plus cot x is equal to b, prove that 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to cot of x plus y. These three sums you should do in your home. If you face some problem, then you should make comment. So in the next class we will do many others tricky sum of compound angles. So please do the given homework, and if you face any type of problem, please keep comment in the box, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.